Boom. Okay, welcome everyone. My name is Ilya and you've arrived to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be talking about Wealthsimple, a banking app for North Americans. So sorry if you're from Europe and other countries around the world and places, this is not going to be for you, but there will be something very, very similar in your country. So today we're just going to focus on Wealthsimple. But if you are from a country that does not have it, please do stay and watch the video, because in your country, you're just gonna Google something that's exactly like this. You have your own version. Like the US has a Robinhood version. I believe the US might also have the Wealthsimple. But I'm gonna show you how it works and how you can make money for free using Wealthsimple. So let's just get straight to it. You come here. We're gonna look at my account for a bit here, and you see you get the option of invest, and then you get the option of cash. Okay, so with invest, you have different types of investments you can do. You can invest into stocks through this. This is a bank, so this is a bank account that you sign up for free. It's a free bank account. So then you sign up, you connect this bank account to your other bank account that you have. So in Canada, I'm with TD Bank, so I connected the two together so that I can transfer my funds. And you have a few options when you come here. You can create a TFSA account, which is tax-free savings account. This is what I really, really recommend, creating a tax-free savings account, all right? Because when you create a tax-free savings account, the money that you save in here, the investments you make will be tax-free when you take it out. So that's why I suggest that. So here I have a TFSA account. Here I have another TFSA account. Now these two are investments saving accounts. So they're being invested into stocks. They're not just sitting there. So I've already had a 5.3 return on these stocks. Keep in mind, the market crashed because of the COVID-19. So that leaves us at $54. So if the market had not crashed, I would have made more money. But from the stocks, the Robo stocks that I have been doing, I get $54 in returns, and this one has given me $16.36 in return. And how these work is that for a small fee, like 0.4%, I believe, I have professionals basically investing into stocks for me. So I am just sitting back and letting other people invest into stocks for me. You fill in this profile and you fill in exactly what you want out of your stocks, what you're looking for, all the details. You fill that stuff in so that you still have control, because you choose how you want to invest, and these people find and take care of the rest for you. So if you're someone who wants to start investing into stocks a little bit but you don't have the time, this is a great way to get into it. Letting someone else take charge, not even someone, many people run your stocks for you, and they try to find what's best for you based on everything that you wrote and your filters. And it's very easy to use to set this up. It's very, very simple. It takes you step by step through it. So that's an amazing option to have if you want to put your money into your account and watch your money grow over time. It's a good way to do that. Another one is a cash account. This one is just your regular savings account, but it's also a checking account from the changes they made. So you can use the money that is in this account, but it's just a high interest savings account where your money not only sits, but it grows. So you see here, I've made $19, almost $20 in return from doing nothing. My money has just been sitting there, and I've already made almost $20. So here I've already made almost 20, here almost 17, here almost $55. And I've done nothing to make this money, nothing at all. It's just been sitting there generating me a little bit of money. And keep in mind, since these accounts are in being invested into stocks. Let's say some of the stocks you own are dividend paying. Dividend paying means the stocks you own pay you money every month or so because you own that stock. So depending on how much money you have invested in there, they'll pay you a certain amount of money now and then. So it's really great. So then it gives you even more and more money every month. So these are the 3 accounts that I use right here. And let's see if we can, if we wanted to make a new one, I'm going to see if I can do that here, or if I have to just log out. Add an account. So you come here, you can add accounts, you can remove accounts, you can change the name of the accounts you have. So right here you see the interest rate is at 0.90, 0.9. That's quite good for 0.9. But at the same time, it's usually better than this. It's just because of the situation we're in right now that it's so low. It used to be at 2%. That's really good, and it's going to go back up to 2%. So you can go get a joint cash account, you get a regular cash account, and then you could have tax-free savings. So those are some options that you can have. Now I'm going to log out of here so that you can stop looking at my money. That's doing nothing for me right now because I'm not spending it. I'm just letting it sit there and letting it grow. And that's what I recommend that you guys do also. If you have extra cash sitting around, $100, $200, $1,000, $2,000, put it into this. It's free to sign up. You don't get charged any fees. So it's just a really good move to put your money into this account and watch it grow. Like it says here, get rich slow. That's exactly what will be happening. You're getting rich slowly because you also need to keep in mind of compound interest, your money growing over time, and the importance of not just leaving your money somewhere that is not doing anything for you. You want your money to be working for you. And this is a great platform to have your money work for you. This is what it looks like when you go to the website and you are about to sign up. So this is it. Let's look at pricing. All right. So there's a basic plan, there's a black plan, this is fancy stuff. I just go usually with the basic. Pay 0.5% management fee. So this fee just gets taken out of like what you are earning. And so this is what I meant with the robo investing. The fee, that's what the fee is for. And so these people, they manage your stocks for you. It's quite great. I highly recommend it. This one is also a great plan to have, the black plan. Right now I'm on the basic plan, but I'm considering moving up. And then you have, so that's your investing. Then you have your cash. So you're investing, keep in mind you're not doing it yourself. Other people are doing it for you. And you're not paying outright for this service. It's just a small percentage that's taken out. And it's a really low percentage when you think about it, because if you were to do it through your regular bank, it would be much more. But Wealthsimple works for you. And here is the cash. Soon, the best part, soon you're going to be able to have your own card, your own Visa card. Look, this is what it's going to look like. And it's going to be a spending card. And it's going to be amazing if you're a traveler, so that in the future, when you go back to travel, you get no monthly account fees, no low balance fees, no foreign transaction fees. This is a huge one. Send money via e-transfer, withdraw cash from ATMs across Canada. So this is going to be amazing to use when the card comes out. So this card's coming soon. And then here you can trade. Buy and sell thousands of stocks and ETFs commission free. Commission free. So you can do stocks and all of this for free. And with this bank, you don't have to have other people managing your stocks for you. You can manage it yourself if you want. So no account minimums, no commission. You can do tax-free savings, RRSPs, taxable accounts. They have so many options for you. It's amazing. And all of it is free. And they have a mobile application for this. So it's super easy to use. You can use it on your phone. You go and check how much money you have. This can be, you don't need to necessarily stop using your current bank and switch to this one. You can have both. That's the perfect thing about this. You can have both accounts. And actually what I do, there's two different versions of Wealthsimple. So this is the regular Wealthsimple, which is a regular bank account where you can just store your money in it. And then there's Wealthsimple Trade, which is an application for people who want to get into stocks a little bit more. If you want to have a little bit more fun with stock trading, Wealthsimple Trade is the way to go. Again, it's commission-free stock trading. There's no minimum. If you want to start with $5, go ahead. If you want to start with 10, sweet, because you can turn your $5 into $50, or at least you can turn that $5 into 10 and then go more and more and more. So it's super cool. You don't need to put a lot of money into this account. So I'm going to leave the link of the regular Wealthsimple Bank down below, and I'm also going to leave a link of Wealthsimple Trade down below for you guys to look out. I highly suggest that you get this. This is probably top 3 best online banks that there is in Canada and in the US and wherever else it's going to expand to. Top 3. This is amazing. I highly suggest this. It's super easy to use. I've been using it for almost 2 years now, almost 2 years. And I don't put that much money in there because I just wanted to use my money for something else, and so I didn't want to put them into stocks because I didn't want to have to take them out. But if you are someone that has a decent amount of money and you don't know what to do with it, the best thing for you to do is put it into these investments or trade, stock trading, or put them in just your regular cash savings account. Leave it in there and then just enjoy your life. Like, no worries, and you know your money is going to grow. And it's going to grow little by little, but the more money you add, the more it grows. So I really would recommend this. And the more you save from your paychecks, the closer you'll be to being financially free and to retiring early. So I suggest maybe save at least 20% of every paycheck. If you can get to 40 or 50% of every paycheck, that's amazing, because that takes you one step further. And the younger you are, the sooner you will become financially free. So getting rich is a huge hurdle. There are many steps you need to take to get there, but a first step that you can take is by investing your money, saving your money, and not just saving it, but saving it into a place where it's going to grow, and Wealthsimple is the place for that. So if you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and you can push that notification bell in the top right corner of the YouTube page, and that way whenever I post future videos, you're going to know. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this. I'm gonna probably post future videos about similar things to Wealthsimple that you guys can get into. Alright, thanks, bye.